Today, I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you need to be drinking water and its amazing health benefits. 1. The first health benefit of drinking enough water is that it helps to keep the body hydrated and functioning properly. When we don't drink enough water, our bodies become dehydrated, which can lead to a number of health problems, including fatigue, dizziness, muscle cramps, and even more serious conditions like heat exhaustion or heat stroke. 2. Another important health benefit of drinking adequate amounts of water is that it supports the digestive system and helps to flush out toxins from the body. Water plays an important role in aiding digestion by helping to break down food as well as transporting nutrients through the bloodstream to all parts of the body. It also facilitates the removal of waste products and other harmful substances from the digestive tract, helping to prevent constipation and other gastrointestinal disorders. 3. Water also has a number of beneficial effects on cognitive function and overall brain health. Studies have shown that not drinking enough water can impair concentration, memory, and focus, while regular intake of water has been linked with improved mood and overall mental clarity. Additionally, some research suggests that staying hydrated may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and improve overall brain function over time. 4. Drinking moderate amounts of water each day also helps to maintain healthy skin by moisturizing the skin from within and keeping it looking smooth and vibrant. This is due in part to the fact that adequate hydration supports collagen production in the dermis layer of the skin, a protein that provides structure for better elasticity and texture. Additionally, water consumption has been shown to improve circulation in skin cells for improved oxygenation throughout the body as well as faster healing of wounds or injuries when they occur. 5. Another major health benefit of maintaining proper hydration levels is that it can help to regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes or prediabetes conditions, such as insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome. By increasing sensitivity to insulin in these individuals, regular intake of sufficient amounts of water can help them better manage their blood sugar levels throughout the day while also reducing their risk for other chronic diseases associated with obesity or insulin resistance like heart disease or type 2 diabetes itself. 6. Drinking plenty of water has also been shown to support joint health by preventing inflammation in joints caused by insufficient fluid intake or excessive physical activity without proper hydration levels beforehand. This can minimize symptoms like swelling or stiffness in joints as well as relieve pain associated with conditions like arthritis for greater overall comfort when moving about during daily activities or exercise routines alike. 7. Finally, one last important health benefit of drinking enough water is that it promotes proper kidney function for effective elimination processes throughout the body on a daily basis without relying on unnecessary supplementation from artificial sources like certain teas or supplements instead. By flushing out waste products from internal organs like kidneys through urine excretion each day, regular intake of adequate amounts of clean drinking water helps support your overall wellness by keeping your body running smoothly at all times.